Hello, my dear student, and welcome once again in our compulsory theory course, that is PSCT 231 Physics of Semiconductor Devices. We will start the module number 2 in previous two chapter. Will cover the first point, that is the types of semiconductor, then second is a direct and indirect band gap semiconductor, and third point we will cover our course number 1, and that point is a basic technology. Okay, let's start the end point. That is this point is the basic device technology. But before going to see the basic device technology, we will discuss the first, that is the p-n junction. Okay, let's see the screen on the diagram of the basic structure of the p-n junction. This we know in previous video, that is the types of semiconductor, that p region contains, p region in majority carrier are the holes, majority carrier are the holes and minority carriers are the electron in p region. Then in n region, the majority carrier are the electron and minority carriers are the hole, and that join together, p and n, and this junction is formed, that is the p-n junction, and it basically is known as a metallurgical junction. Okay, and in that p region doped with acceptor impurity atom, that p region is doped with acceptor impurity atoms, for example this boron. Then n region doped with donor impurity atoms. P region का है acceptor impurity atoms and n region is the donor impurity atoms, for example phosphorus. Okay, previous types of semiconductor मध्ये काय केलेले एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. Okay, in that p-n junction it is important to realize the entire semiconductor is a single crystal material. It is important to realize that entire semiconductor is a single crystal material in which one region is doped with acceptor impurities of atoms to form the p region, and adjacent region is doped with donor to form a n region, and this will join that two region p and n region, that will be form a p-n junction. And then let's start the basic device technology. Next point is to start the basic device technology. Under the heading, we are mainly going to deal with the fabrication of p-n junction. This basic device technology is the fabrication of p-n junction by means of different method. There are four main method of fabrication of p-n junction. That is, the first is a ground junction method, second diffusion method, third alloying method, and fourth is a ion implantation method. Four main method, that is a basic device technology. The four main method of the fabrication of p-n junction. Where method are used for the fabrication of p-n junction. First is a ground junction method, second is the diffusion method, and third is the alloying method, and fourth is the ion implantation method. In that first is a ground junction method. What is mean by ground junction method? What is mean by ground junction? First method is a ground junction method. But what is mean by ground junction? A junction. Let's see the carefully. What mean by the ground junction? Let's see the carefully. A junction produced by changing. Ground junction is a junction produced by changing the types and amounts of donor and acceptor impurity. What? A junction produced by changing the types and amounts of donor and acceptor impurities that added during the growth, of a semiconductor crystal from melt, and this junction is known as a ground junction, or also known as the ground junction. What is mean by ground junction? The junction produced by changing. केव्हा produce होणार आहे that junction? By produce the changing types and amount of donor and acceptor impurity that added during the growth of the semiconductor. केव्हा? Added during the growth of the semiconductor crystal from melt, and it also known as a ground junction. In that, this method meaning सांगितलं मी तुम्हाला कशाचं, ground junctions. Then the ground junction method, let's see on the screen. In this method, the impure कोणतं आहे? That is the एक्सट्रिंजिक, आणि एक्सट्रिंजिकमध्ये कोणते एन ऑर पी टाईप सेमीकंडक्टर इज ग्राउंड. In this method, impure, that is N or P type semiconductor is ground, full stop. The part of this ground crystal is melted. बघा मी तुम्हाला ग्राउंड जंक्शन मध्ये इट ॲडेड ड्युरिंग द ग्रोथ ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर क्रिस्टल फ्रॉम ए मेल्ट. ग्राउंड जंक्शन मध्ये सांगितले तुम्हाला. द पार्ट ऑफ ग्राउंड क्रिस्टल इज मेल्टेड विच अलाउ टू ग्रो मीन्स टू increase, to grow further with opposite type of impurity. It start with molten mixture of intrinsic and acceptor impurities. This crystal start with molten mixture of, which is intrinsic means that is the pure, and acceptor impurity that is the p type, and this is the impure. And it start with molten mixture कशा of intrinsic, and one is the p type. Acceptor impurity means these are the p type. And this crystal allowed to grow up to extent, and that crystal will be grow. And in this donor impurities is the n type, and this donor impurities are added, and in this donor impurity will be added. So the donor impurity dominates the acceptor impurity, and donor impurity काय करणार, they dominates the acceptor impurities, which results growth in the p-n junction. ब्राउन जंक्शन मध्ये काय होतं, विल बी ग्रोथ ऑफ द पीएन जंक्शन. ओके, काय होतं की इम्प्युअर जो आहे, इम्प्युअर मीन्स एन और पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर विल बी ग्राउंड टू रेज. ओके, बट that part of that ground crystal is melted. The part of ground crystal will be melted, which allow to grow. मेल्ट होऊन तो काय होतो, अलाउ कशासाठी, ग्रो होण्यासाठी फर्दर विथ अपोजिट टाइप ऑफ इम्प्युरिटी. And it start with molten mixture. कशाचं, intrinsic and acceptor impurity, that is the p type impurity, and this crystal allowed to grow some extent. In these donor impurities are added, so that the donor impurity dominates the acceptor impurity, which results that growth of the p-n junction. That's growth of the p-n junction. Then second method is the alloying method. And it is very simple method to understand. In this method, let's see the diagram. First is a n-type silicon or germanium first, and that is the indium. Indium is the impurity. This is the trivalent impurity. Second figure is that molten state, and third is the indium or p type. That means this result is a p-n junction will be formed. Then let's see. In this method, the pellet or foil of a trivalent material, that is the indium. In this method, the pellet or foil of the trivalent material, that is the indium, is melted on a n-type germanium semiconductor material at high temperature at 500 degrees Celsius. काय केलंय की एक फॉइल आहे ट्रायव्हॅलेंट मटेरियलची इंडियम, दिस फॉइल इज मेल्टेड ऑन दॅट एन टाईप. फर्स्ट फिगर मध्ये बघा, एन टाईप germanium semiconductor material at high temperature of 500 degrees Celsius. Let's see the figure 1. This leads to first step मध्ये काय केलंय की एक trivalent material indium is melted on n-type germanium semiconductor material. Is melted and semiconductor at high temperature 500 degrees Celsius. This leads to melting, the mixing of that trivalent impurity and host intrinsic material. काय होणार आहे, this will be high temperature ला काय केलंय, high temperature apply केला, and this will be the melt. काय झालं, indium will be melt on that n-type germanium. Then this leads to mixing of trivalent impurity. This trivalent impurity जो indium आहे, that will be the mixing of trivalent impurity and host जो आपला आहे n-type material, that is the intrinsic material, and this molten mixture will be slowly dissolved. And this molten mixture काय होणार, जे मिक्सचर तयार होणार आहे, and that mixture is known as a molten mixture, and that molten mixture will be slowly dissolved in semiconductor crystal. And ते काय होणार आहे, slowly dissolve होणार आहे in semiconductor crystal to some extent like liquid solution, and on slow cooling, नंतर काय करतात त्याचं slow cooling, the recrystallization takes place. That will be the recrystallization process will takes place, and this results in the p-n junction. बघा, फर्स्टली काय करतो आपण, त्याला हीट करतोय, देन दॅट मिक्सचर विल बी मेल्टिंग अँड मिक्सिंग of that trivalent impurity and intrinsic material, and then molten mixture that is slowly dissolved in semiconductor crystal, and it will be the slow cooling recrystallization takes place in third figure. That will be the p type, and this is the n type. That means p n junction will be formed. This alloying method is a very simple method to understand. Alloying method. Okay, simply these are the alloying method. Third method is a basic technology method is a diffusion method. Diffusion method. Let's see the screen on the diagram. We know the in P region the higher concentration is a holes, and means majority carrier is a holes and minority carrier is a electron. In N region the majority carrier is a electron and minority carrier is a hole. In that diffusion method, the movement of that charge carrier from higher concentration to lower concentration, and that result in the recombination of carrier, and the process is known as a diffusion. Okay, in P type that is the higher concentration of hole, in N type it is a higher concentration of a electron, and due to this concentration gradient, let's see the clearly, due to this concentration gradient across a junction, due to this concentration gradient across the junction, the process diffusion, the diffusion process will takes place. Why? Due to this concentration gradient across that junction, the diffusion process will takes place, and that junction is a p-n junction. Okay, and after some time we will see the p and n region will join together, and that's why it is a p-n region. And due to this concentration gradient of holes and electron across that junction, the process diffusion will takes place. In that process of diffusion, that electron, that higher concentration of electron in N region will diffuse in P region, and that electron in the N region will diffuse in P region, and that electron is recombined with holes of that P region. P region मध्ये काय आहे? Holes आहे, and that electron will recombine with that P region, and that P type hole is diffused in the N region. It diffused in the N region, and that's why the accumulation of charge carriers of holes or positive ion in N region, and accumulation of charge of electron in the P region. Let's see the diagram. The accumulation of charge electron in P region and accumulation of holes in the N region. This is the negative ion and this is mobile. This is the positive ion. But in that region is known as a depletion region. Okay, but in the any no external source or temperature, this is the zero bias or unbiased will be, but in that diffusion method we will occurs in a high temperature, will occurs or is working in a high temperature. This is the diffusion process for movement of charge carrier from higher concentration to lower concentration. This result in the recombination of charge carrier in the electron from N region that diffuse in the P type, and that's recombined with that holes, recombine of holes, and the accumulation of charge, that the negative charge or electron in the P region, and this N region is the accumulation of, that is the holes or positive ions, and this is the mobile ions. This is the mobile ion, and that region is a depletion region. This is the simply diffusion methods, that is the movement of charge carrier from higher concentration to lower concentration. Then next are the fourth is the ion implantation. Fourth one is the ion implantation. Let's see the diagram. This is the ion source. This is the ion source, and that accelerated ions, this accelerated ion that incident on that इथे काय दाखवले, सेपरेशन मॅग्नेट दाखवले, इथे मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड दाखवली, but that magnetic field and that this magnetic field direction कशी, that perpendicular to that accelerated ions, and this is to enter in the magnetic field, it will be the cross, or it will be the curved nature, and one is the heavily ions and this is the lower ion, this heavily and this lightly. वरचा जो आहे तो हेविली आणि खालचा आहे जो लाईटली, आणि सेंटरचा तो कशावरती स्ट्राईक होणार आहे, सबस्ट्रेटवरती. कशावर? अँड दॅट इज द इम्प्लांटेड ऑफ दॅट सबस्ट्रेट. ओके. बट इथे जो आहे जी मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड आहे दॅट विल बी परपेंडिक्युलर टू दॅट accelerated ions, and that will be the force acts on that accelerated ion. That force is equal to F is equal to Q V cross B. That will be the move in the with the help of that with the velocity. बट ऑन द जसा डिफ्युजन आपण हायर टेम्परेचरला काय करतो, वर्क करतो, तसा आयन इम्प्लांटेशन आपल्याला काय करायचं, लो टेम्परेचरला. ऑन द इम्प्लांटेशन इज अ मटेरियल इंजिनिअरिंग प्रोसेस बाय विच आयन्स ऑफ ए मटेरियल इज एक्सिलरेटेड इन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अँड इम्पॅक्टेड इन टू द सॉलिड. दिस प्रोसेस इज यूज टू चेंज इन, कशासाठी, चेंज इन फिजिकल, केमिकल और इलेक्ट्रिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए सॉलिड. सर्व प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करतो, फिजिकल, केमिकल और इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सॉलिड. अँड आयन इम्प्लांटेशन इज यूज टू सेमी कंडक्टर डिव्हाइस फॅब्रिकेशन. कशामध्ये? फॅब्रिकेशन. लेट्स सी द आयन इम्प्लांटेशन इक्विपमेंट टिपिकली कन्सिस्ट ऑफ ए आयन सोर्स. लेट्स सी द डायग्राम बघितलं आपण की आयन सोर्स आहे, वेअर आयन्स इज डिझायर्ड एलिमेंट आर प्रोड्यूस. मीन्स आयन्स इज ए डिझायर्ड एलिमेंट आर प्रोड्यूस. अँड ॲक्सिलरेटर वेन आयन्स इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक ॲक्सिलरेटेड, काय होतं ते ॲक्सिलरेटेड होणार टू हाय एनर्जी अँड टार्गेट द चेंबर. बघा इथे दिसलंय ना तुम्हाला, काय करतो तो, टार्गेट करतो त्या सबस्ट्रेटला किंवा दॅट चेंबर. टार्गेट द चेंबर वेन द आयन्स इम्पिंज बी स्ट्राईक, त्या टार्गेटला काय करतो तो, स्ट्राईक, विच इज मटेरियल टू बी इम्प्लांटेड. अँड दस द आयन इम्प्लांटेशन इज अ स्पेशल केस ऑफ पार्टिकल रेडिएशन. It's a special case of particle radiation. In this method, the third group impurity ions are accelerated to high velocity. हा velocity कशी लागली, कारण की तो जो accelerated जे ions होते ते आणि मॅग्नेटिक फील्डची डिरेक्शन ती कशी होती, परपेंडिक्युलर. दॅट विल ॲक्ट ऑन द फोर्स F इज इक्वल टू क्यू व्ही क्रॉस बी. हाय velocity and are made to strike in n-type semiconductor, and the impurity atoms penetrate. That impurity atom penetrates region of semiconductor and converting into p-type, and this implantation depth depends on the velocity moving on. जे आपल्या आयन सोर्सचे जे आहे एक्सिलेटेड आयन्स आहे ते इम्प्लांटेशनची जी डेप्थ आहे ती कशावरती डिपेंड आहे, व्हेलॉसिटी ऑफ दॅट मूव्हिंग आयन्स. ओके. दीज आर द 4 बेसिक डिव्हाइस टेक्नॉलॉजी Okay. In next video we will discuss the next point.